Welcome to the Rainbow Bridge. Oh no, it looks like a big mess. All the colors are mixed up, and we need to sort them. Can you help me, friends? We'll learn about colors and have lots of fun along the way. First, let's find all the red things. Do you see any red toys or objects around? Great job! I see a red ball. Let's put it in the red basket. And look, a red toy car. That goes in the red basket too. Now, let's find all the blue things. Where are the blue toys hiding? Remember, blue is like the sky or the ocean. Keep your eyes peeled, young adventurers. We need to find all the blue items and put them together. Let's go. Amazing! I see a blue block. That goes in the blue basket. And how about this blue teddy bear? Perfect! It's going in the blue basket as well. Next up, we are looking for the color yellow. Remember, yellow is the color of the sun. We have to find all of the yellow items and put them in their designated basket. Can you help me find them? Yes, a yellow star. And a yellow ducky. You are color sorting masters. Now, let's move on to green. Green is the color of grass and trees. I'm sure we will find some great green items. We can start by taking a good look around to see what items stand out to us and which ones we can put in the green basket. What do you think, friends? Oh, a green apple. And a green train. Wonderful! Into the green basket. Now for a tricky color. Orange. Like a delicious orange fruit or a sunset. Let us see if we can find a few of these in a timely manner. With your assistance, I am sure that we will be able to get the job done easily. What do you say, friends? An orange crayon and an orange pumpkin. You're so good at this. Next, let's go for something purple. Remember, purple is a mix of red and blue. Look for items that you find that look like they are more on the purple side. This is great practice for sorting things. Let us take a look around and see what you come up with. I am eager to find out. A purple dinosaur and a purple flower. Wow! Only one color to go. Pink. Pink is a mix of red and white. Look everywhere until you find pink. We have to put the pink items into the correct basket. This is great practice for your memory and your ability to distinguish the items. Remember to take a good look around for items that are pink. A pink pig and a pink balloon. Great work, everyone! You did it! It looks as if you sorted all of the objects correctly. High five! Now the rainbow bridge is beautiful and organized again. Thank you for helping me, friends. It means so much, and I am so appreciative of the help. Thank you so much, everyone. That was such a wonderful adventure. Remember to keep practicing your color sorting skills. It helps us to organize our world and learn new things. See you next time for more fun and learning with your big green friend, Alpee. Don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up so we can stay in touch and see each other next time, friends.